Charats! Hi guys! Welcome to Jar Vlogs. Welcome to my coffee shop. For today's video, I'm gonna play with my coffee shop today. I don't have playmate to play with me until I want to play with my mommy. We always do this, playing together. So mommy will be my customer. An early bird catches the worm. I'm already here at my coffee shop. It's 8 in the morning. I opened the shop. Let's get started. So I prepared all the food. We got shrimp, popsicle, ice cream cone, candies, hot dog, popcorn, pizza, ice cream again, waffle, pancake, ice cream, 2 cupcakes, and pie, and cake, 2 chickens, banana, hot dog, watermelon. We got some dessert here, and meat, donuts, 1 more donut, cookies, and the burger. We got some of fries, hot dog, and we got some of these sandwiches. We got burger. That is all for my coffee shop. I'm waiting for my customer now. Where are they? They're taking so long. It's 8 in the morning. Really? It's 8 in the morning. Why they're so long? Really? Where are they? That's really good. Oh look, my customer is coming! Yay! Hello, welcome to my coffee shop. How may I help you? Good morning, ma'am. What do you want to order for today's morning?
Can I have a glass of water?
Oh my god, early in the morning you want water, 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 water. Oh, I forgot there's a water here. Ah! Put some water. There you go. I think this is enough. Let me give this a little shot here because it's already here. Here you go, ma'am. Here's your water. Are you hungry? I prepare a lot of food here. There's a lot of them. Which one do you like? The burger or the fries? Yeah, everything. Do you like something? Do you like chicken, burger, or sandwiches, or hot dog, or fries, or donuts, or cookies, or everything? What do you want?
I'm gonna have the waffle.
You're gonna have the waffle? Okay, coming right up. I cannot get it, so I'm gonna use my hands so I could go to the pan. Here. I'm gonna put it here until you like more water. What else do you want? How about hot dog? Do you like that? Or you want some sandwich? Because sandwich got a lot of healthy food on it. You want some?
I'm gonna have a banana.
That is a juice for bananas.
Okay, I'm gonna have the hot dog.
Alright, great that you like hot dogs. Maybe you need glass.
And a cup of coffee.
Really? Alright, fine. Prepare your coffee. It's already a minute. There you go. I guess we need some water of it. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's... We need some water on it. Here you go. Here's your order. It's coming here. That's 200 pesos. Thank you for the money. 50, 50, 100. Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal. These are play monies. I used this when I was a kinder 1, and my teacher asked to bring play money when I was kinder 1. Ooh, there's another customer coming. Quick, quick. Good morning. What are you having today?
Can I have cake, hot dog, and chicken?
Whoa, that's a lot. Why do you need a lot of them?
Because I'm really hungry on 8 in the morning.
Alright. I'm just gonna slice the cake here. So hard to slice it, sir. Let me put them back. I'm gonna use my hands so it'll be good. There you go. One more slice coming here. Oh, the one cake fell out. Alright, you'll have one cake. One slice of cake coming. It's already done. We're just gonna put the slices here back. And I'm gonna cut the chicken. Yes, it's gonna go here in the frying. The matter was ordering, so that way you can. There you go. Let me turn on the stove. I hope this is not hot. Oh yeah, perfect. It's not hot. There you go. And one more. Oh my goodness, sir. I guess you're gonna be sick for this, but I am sure that you're gonna eat hot today. I'm gonna give it to you now. Here. There you go, sir. I hope this is a lot. I can't carry it. Ooh, there's more customer. Hi, madam. What food do you like today? Oh, can I have fruits, banana and watermelon? How about I can make them juice? Do you like that? Of course, I do like them. Alright, I'm gonna slice this because some more people are going here. This store is always so free. I do a lot of it. Come on, slice. So hard. It just fell down on me. Alright, I'm gonna mix the watermelon with the banana. Do you like that? I never expect this. La 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 la. Oh my goodness, how can I slice this? I'm gonna make it like a tower here. Oh my goodness. Don't squash on my face, banana. I don't want to get loose. This is so hard. Charot, charot, charot. It fell. Alright, I'm gonna pull them. I bet pull for. And I'm gonna get the spoon down there. So hard. Now we're just gonna cool it for 10 minutes. Because I'm gonna put this two back here. And I'm gonna put some water because it needs to be juicy and nice. I'm gonna pick the milk out. Just wait, madam. I'm gonna put some milk so it could be tasty and good for veggies. Yeah, it's good. And we're gonna stir it. We need to stir it very careful, madam, because it's gonna splash. Alright? Madam, here's your drink for today. You can't taste it because just taste it. It's a different taste, right? Hello, kid. What do you want to eat? Oh, can I have the burger and fries? Of course, that's better for you. I'm just gonna put the burger here, and I'm gonna put some. Alright, I'm gonna put some fries under the pan. Just a little bit. Yeah, more, please. Whoa, my goodness. Do you like more of them? Alright, one more. We're just gonna get there. That's good. And now time to fry, guys. Alright. Oh, no, you didn't. Turn it on. Alright, we need the tongs because oh my goodness. There you go, kid. I hope you enjoy your meal. Oh, I'm so tired, but there's another customer. Hi, welcome, sir, to my coffee shop.
Oh, can I have donuts and hot for none and coffee?
Of course, sir. I'm gonna make your coffee for today. Because I sell coffee and water, first we need a cup of water. Yeah, you own it. Milk and some coffee. And also, we're gonna mix it. I hope you like or enjoy, everybody. After playing, we need to help our mom keep our toys and wash our hands. Oh my god. Oh no, they're gonna fall here. Don't fall. I trust you. Alright, let me put some water. Just 10 minutes. I'm gonna open it. Until we need milk. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I'm hungry. Just quick milk. There you go. There you go. We're done. There you go. Smells like chocolate. Come on, bugs. Why you're not going to somewhere? I'm just gonna take off this. Shout out! Shout out! Shout out Team Lapad and Asul Bahay! Shout out also to my Ate Jula, Ate Jamie, Ate Maxine, everybody, Mama Julie, Kuya Onyok. Shout out to my papas, Charot Charot, Papa Joy, Papa Ashong, Papa Chad, all my papa. I miss all of them. I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Charot.